Module 4, Application Architecture Basics. Lesson 4.3, How Frontend and Backend Work Together.
We've looked at the front end and the back end in isolation. Now it's time to see how they communicate through APIs to create a complete application. A modern application is a partnership between the front end and the back end. They communicate through structured requests called APIs. Each side has a different responsibility.
Example flow, posting a comment.
Let's follow what happens when a user writes a comment and presses Post. The front end captures the text and sends an API request to the back end using HTTP. This request follows a predefined contract, the API, which defines what data must be sent and what response will come back. The back end first checks whether the user is logged in and allowed to comment. It then applies rules, like filtering content or enforcing limits. Once validated, the back end saves the comment in the database. The back end sends a structured response back through the API. The front end updates the screen using that response.
What each side focuses on.
The front end and back end have different responsibilities. The front end handles what users see and interact with. The back end handles the logic, data, and rules behind the scenes. The front end never talks directly to the database. It always goes through the back end using APIs. This separation keeps applications secure, scalable, and easier to maintain.
Example flow, online purchase.
When you buy something online, the front end sends payment details securely through an API. The back end validates the transaction, updates inventory, and records the order. The front end handles what users see and do. The back end handles what the system knows and decides. Together, they make the application work. Every time you click a button, a full request travels through the system from front end to back end to database and back again. In the next lesson, we'll zoom out and follow that entire journey step by step.